Binance Exchange app, how to deposit or withdraw for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can deposit or withdraw for beginners on the Binance Exchange app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to deposit or withdraw cryptocurrency on the Binance Exchange app, open up the Binance app. Now deposit means, like, let's say someone is trying to send you any form of currency, you need to give them the deposit address. You can find this by tapping on the portfolio icon from the bottom right of the screen, simply going to the deposit option. So let's say you're trying to deposit Bitcoin into your Binance account. You have to select BTC and you have to select a network, from which network you're going to be sending it, and then you have to simply copy the wallet address and give to the person who's trying to send you. Second thing is, if you're trying to withdraw from Binance to another wallet, then to withdraw it, just simply again tap on the withdraw, and this time you are going to be the one who's going to paste the wallet address. Remember, if you're trying to send Bitcoin, you have to copy the Bitcoin wallet address, and the network also you have to ask them what network they chose, and then only you'll be able to find them. Then select the withdrawal amount and then just hit the withdraw option. And this way you'll be able to deposit or withdraw for beginners on Binance. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or thoughts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.